I will guide you how to germinate seeds very unique. We use suitable nursery pots to fill soil, and I use seeds to stuff into aloe vera plants. The seeds will germinate very well. Aloe vera is rich in nutrients and does not pollute the environment. Today's bitter melon pot is 2 discarded paint cans. I will punch drainage holes so the plant doesn't get waterlogged. To help the plants always have nutrients, I use plastic bottles with holes punched in the bottom to contain green manure, slowly providing nutrients to the plants. When planting, I always pay attention to soil preparation to help the plants get nutrients from the beginning. I use organic vermicompost mixed with soil and stir until the soil is loose. Worm castings are rich in nutrients, have high antibacterial properties, and are environmentally friendly. This time I use small green branches and leaves and place them in the middle of the pot to help the soil become loose and rich in nutrients. We filled the pot 1/2 full with soil and put some compost in the middle and then added enough soil. The bitter melon seeds have sprouted and we are ready to plant. I will use kitchen compost in each bottle and water to help the plant maintain a steady moisture level. The plant will root and be healthy. After 15 days of planting, the bitter melon has grown healthily and branched out. At this time, I will loosen the soil, remove weeds, and help the soil metabolize better. We will add soil to the tree, giving it enough space for roots to grow without leaning or falling over. I still add organic fertilizer to the container and use coconut water to water the plants, giving them energy to flower and fruit. When the plant is about 20 days old, we have to make a trellis for the plant to climb. I use bamboo and reed branches to make the trellis. Once the trellis is complete, I will water, fertilize, and add soil to each plant. After about 35 days, the plants have covered the trellis, bloomed, and produced small fruits. At this time, the plants are very sensitive to insects and pests. We must take care of them. To get good fruit, I will pollinate the female flowers with male flowers. Ginger is great for repelling insects, preventing pests and mold, and also stimulates flowering and fruiting. I use 1 clove of ginger mixed with water and spray it evenly on each plant. After nearly 2 months of growing bitter melon, there are many big, beautiful fruits. Now we can make fruits for our relatives. Your rooftop has a new dish. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to live and subscribe to my channel. Good luck.